Alright, my peeps, what's up, wagwan? What you doing way over here, so I do. Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house. Please remember to leave me a little bit of like and subscribe for other amazing content. Now, my peeps, we're gonna make some mango carrot juice. Yes, it's summertime now. We need a little color in our life. We need a little vibes, we need some vitamins and all of that. Yeah, so this is gonna be refreshing, delicious, and nice. If you have what you call this, juicer, you can use that, but we're gonna use my handy dandy blender. Okay guys, I'm gonna use some carrot, mango, lemon, and ginger. All right, and maybe I add some honey if it's not sweet enough. Okay, but now I have this pack of mango, so instead of using this, I think we're just gonna eat this as is. We have some frozen mango here, it's the same thing, so we're gonna use some of this, and I'm gonna just cut up my carrots. Basically guys, we're just gonna cut it up in pieces so it can blend. Okay, I'm using 2 carrots guys, and you can use 1 mango. 2 carrot, 1 mango. All right, so that's that. My countertop clean guys, and then we have some ginger. Cut up the ginger there, sir. All right guys, so now we're just gonna put everything in the blender, one blending. Okay, I'm here. Oh yeah, stir. And I'm just gonna put some mangoes. Not bad, not true. Let me taste it. Tastes good. Guys, these mango actually taste sweet. Got my teeth. And we have some lemon juice. Just gonna squeeze 1. You can use lime, it's up to you. I mean, you turn that like it a shake the earth like an element, like a zinc pan. Oh my goodness. It a vibrate, not true? It thunder. Guys, thunder outside is like woo. Man, it's like it the core. I'm gonna pour some water in it. I'm not gonna make it too watery, all right? So you wanna pour about say 4 cups of water. All right, my peeps, and we're gonna blend away. Oh, I'm gonna swing from the chandeliers. All right, guys, let's blend away. Look at that goodness. All right, my peeps, look at the goodness. It's so pretty. Let's strain this, guys. If you want, you don't really have to strain it, you know. Look how, because my blender really powerful, but I'm gonna strain it because I want a smooth consistency. Okay guys, so we're gonna strain it. So grab yourself a spoon and you're gonna mix. This part gonna be like time consuming, but continue to mix and rub. And as you can see guys, it's gonna be super nice. So I'm just gonna continue this process. As I said, you don't have to strain it. You can turn it into like a smoothie like, but I'm gonna strain it today, and I think I'm gonna add a little bit of honey. You gotta rub it out. And guys, you know, after me make it, who I go drink it?
Me, of course.
You go drink it there, me. Alright. So guys, when you rub it and rub it, this is what you're gonna have. I'm gonna do the rest. Boy, full of ginger, but guys, it's fresh like rose water. So anyhow, I'm gonna put about 2 tablespoons of honey. 1, 2. You can put a little bit of sugar, but we're gonna be on the healthier side today and just use the honey. And I'm not gonna make mine too sweet. No way, no how. Alright, my peeps, we're gonna serve up some, okay? I'm gonna put some ice. Make it refreshing with the ice, guys. And look at the goodness. Me say the color pretty subtle. Alright guys, let's pour. And we have more. Alright my peeps, and this is it. Oh mama mia. Me say this thing pretty plus tax. Pretty like money. And I know it's gonna taste amazing. Alright guys, yes. And this is my delicious mango, carrot, ginger and lemon juice. Gonna clean and build your immune system. Lots of vitamins. Yeah. Good for your eyesight, good for your blood. All right guys, that's it. Yeah, love upon me and I love upon you. See that guys? Lots of ice, well chill, refreshing and good for your body. Just a glass a day. Keep the doctor away. Hi my peeps. Yes, so look at this guys. The color so pretty. So I'm gonna taste it for you, okay guys? Oh my goodness. I'm singing. It's so refreshing and it's not sweet guys. Yes, I love it. Lots of ginger in it. Oh my goodness, lots of ginger. Oh my god, I love it. Bye guys.